Morning student, in disaster management, study about different types of disasters. Those disasters occurs in environment. We know that there are different types of that disasters. Broadly, these disasters classify into biogeographical disasters, biological disasters, and man-made disasters. These are known as different types of disasters, and these disasters occurs in our surrounding. By that disasters, various effect of that disasters on living things. There are different effect of that disasters on different living things. Then there are various aspects of that disasters management. How to manage of that disasters? There are different aspects of that disasters management, that is known as. Then various effects of that disasters, and there are different types of that disasters. After complete of that, authorities of that disaster management, now the first aid and emergency action of that disasters. We know that those disasters occurs in environment like earthquakes, fire, then various fire, then flood, then various accident, war. These are known as different disasters. When these disasters occurs in environment, the injuries of various people. Now to save the injury of these people from that disasters, and to first aid is necessary to save the life of these people, and study of that first aid and various emergency action in last period in 9th class. How to use various material in first aid kits to save the life from various disasters, injuries of these people from that disasters. For example, in case of earthquake, in case of fire in various industries, snake bite, these are known as some disaster. Some disasters are known as long disasters, and some disasters are known as short disasters. But those peoples are injured from that disasters, we save the life of these people. What are the first aid to use of these people before medical treatment and save the life of these people? That is known as first aid and emergency action. Now the various emergency actions are also used on the peoples when these peoples are injured in various disasters. For example, the various emergency action, that is a cradle. It is one of the method. Now these methods are used to move the people from that place where the disasters occurs, and injures the various people from this place. Now these peoples move from this place to another place, and then use of various material to save the life of these people before medical treatment. That is known as emergency actions. Now cradle is one of the method to use move the people from injurious from various disaster places. Then second method, that is known as crying on back, crying on hands. These are known as some emergency action methods to move the injurious people from these places to another place. And then use of various material, that is known as first aid kits. Those materials available in first aid kits, this material used to help these people before medical treatment, that is known as first aid and emergency action. Now, which material is available in first aid kits? There are different material present in a first aid kits. We make the first aid kits to save the life of these people. Now, which material is available in that first aid kits? Now, the first material, that is known as bandage strip. Different types of the bandage strips are available in first aid kits, and these bandage strips are useful to band the various injuries. Then wound gauge. Next material, that is known as cotton. Dry cottons are also available in that kits. Dry cotton and wounding of this dry cotton on injury. Then hand gloves. Different types of hand gloves are also available. 2 hand gloves in first aid kits. Then cloth, soap, Dettol, blade, needle, band-aid, torch, scissor, thermometer and petroleum jelly. These are known as different material. Now we are collected these different material and to make a first aid kits. Now this first aid kit is necessary to help the people from and to save the life from various disasters. That is known as first aid and emergency action. Thank you.